In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline in Google Sheets. Let's start by opening Google in your browser. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid and choose Sheets. Sign in if you're asked to, then open the spreadsheet you want to work with. If you already have Sheets open, just switch to the tab and open your file from there. Now, decide what you want to underline. If you want to underline all the text in a single cell, click the cell once to select it. If you want to underline only part of the text inside a cell, double-click the cell to enter edit mode, or press Enter or F2, then drag to highlight just the word or characters you want. This part is important. Underlining a portion of text only works when you're editing inside the cell and have that specific text selected. The quickest method is the keyboard shortcut. With your cell or text highlighted, press Ctrl and U on your keyboard at the same time. On many keyboards, this is shown as Ctrl+U. This toggles underline on and off, so if you change your mind later, press the same shortcut again to remove it. When you're done editing inside a cell, press Enter to confirm your change. There's also a menu-based method if you prefer using the toolbar. First, highlight the word or the cell you want to format, just like before. Then go to the top menu bar, click Format, hover over text to open the text formatting options, and choose Underline. You'll see the underline applied immediately. This is the exact same formatting as the keyboard shortcut. It's just a different way to reach it. Again, you can return to Format, Text, Underline to toggle it off if needed. A couple of quick tips to keep things clear. Underline is a text style, not a border. If you're trying to draw a line under a cell to separate sections, use the bottom border tool instead of underline. Also, if you only want to underline part of a sentence in a cell, make sure you're in edit mode and that the specific characters are selected before applying underline. Otherwise, Sheets will apply it to the entire cell's text. That's it. Open Sheets, pick your file, highlight the cell or the exact text you want, then either press Ctrl+U or go to Format, Text, Underline. Use whichever method feels faster for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaner, clearer spreadsheets with just a simple underline.